In this video, we will learn about template reference variable in Angular application. Template reference variable is the most important concept in Angular. We can use the instance of one single element at the some other place in same template. We can do this with the help of template reference. Here we are using the same application. The application is running on the browser. In HTML file, for learning purpose, let's create new text box. This is the shortcut to create text box. So let's remove this name and ID. Here I will use as symbol. Then give it a variable name. Let's say my text. This my text is a variable that has the instance of this entire input element. Now make a new line. To see its value, use double curly braces, that is interpolation. Remember, when you declare this variable, you have to use as symbol. Once you declared it, then you have to use this text only. So copy this text and paste it here and save the changes. See in the browser, this is an object of HTML input element. Now I want to see the value of this text box. For that I can write my text dot value. Now save the changes. See here, we don't have any value because this is an empty text box. Now let's assign some value here. Let's say ABCD and save the changes. See here, whatever the value we assigned in the text box, that is displayed here. This is basically an instance of the particular element. Now let's create a new button here. I want to disable this button when this text box has some value. For that we can use property binding and disabled. Here I will write this text my text dot value. So copy this and paste it here and save the changes. See here, this text box has some value, that is why this button is disabled. Now make it in a correct way. When this text box has no value, then only this button disabled. If the text box has some value, this button should be enabled. For that I am using not symbol, save the changes. See here, this text box has some value, that is why this button is enabled. Now I want to remove this value from this input text box. Save the changes. See here, this button is disabled now. This is how we can use template reference in Angular application. Thanks for watching this video.